Hey friends, welcome to another unboxing. I am checking out the ESGREEN or ESGREEN rechargeable flashlight. Super bright, long lasting, 5 modes. Got a USB charging cord. Here is the flashlight right here. Looks pretty cool. Wow, look at that LED in there, and that is zoomable, so that's going to be pretty crazy. Let's see. Take out the battery here. All right, there's a little chip here on the battery initially when you get it, so you got to take that off. This is a 6,000 mega amp hour 26650 battery, so pretty decent battery there for powering your flashlight. Put that back on. Has a nice little lanyard here. This appears to be waterproof as well, so that's cool. You have a little USB port here where you can charge your device, or also you can use it to charge your phone too. You can hook up your phone to this and give it an extra boost there, so that's cool. Also in the bag we have this nice little belt loop holder, so this can be snapped on or off, or just slide your belt through there. That way you can attach your boy, that is a, oh, that's cool. It's a snap with Velcro around it. I've never seen that before. That's extra sturdy. And that just goes right in there. Just snaps over the top just like that. That's nice. Okay. Also in the box we have this little UV light thing, which is pretty sweet. It has a little charging port in the back too. We have, if you don't want to use that big battery, it also comes with AAAs here, and this little AAA 3-holder adapter for that. And on top of all that, we have a little instruction booklet. So let's check it out, my friends. So it has a nice little display on there. Tells you it's 68%. You can see that is the initial thing. So it has the 5 modes. Long press will turn it off if it's on any other mode, or you can just press it, go through the cycles, and then press it once it goes off. So first one's going to be your dim mode. It comes on kind of slowly, and then it just, actually first one's a bright one. So first is bright, second one's a little bit less bright, and the third one's the dimmer one. And then it'll go to strobe, and then SOS. I wonder if this one has like a turbo mode. Doesn't appear to be. Sometimes you can double tap some and it'll have like a super bright mode there. I mean, check out that beam focus though. That is pretty crazy. I mean, that's pretty insane right there. Let's actually go take this outside. I'm going to show you how well that works, and just in a darkened room and stuff like that. All right, this little UV thing is actually pretty cool. UV light shows up different things under that light, so I want to just show you guys this. Great way to see like germs and stuff on whatever, fingerprints and things like that. So let's check it out. All right, friends. So regular door, and then the UV light just shows up all kinds of stuff on here where people have touched the door handle or whatever. Look at this. There's just a ton of stuff all over on here, which is really cool, just shining this in different places and just seeing all whatever's there. So with the light on, you can't see any of that. And with the UV light, it just shows up different stuff. So pretty sweet. Anyways, that's that. And let's take the flashlight outside now. Here we are in the garage, my friends. Just wanted to show you guys real quick the flashlight here. So there's low beam, or I'm sorry, that's high beam. Just it's a super concentrated beam is what it is. Really, and then and then it just gets insanely concentrated. So it throws out a pretty wide beam, but I've never seen a flashlight focus this much. All right, friends, here we are in the backyard here, and you can see that it puts out a nice, wide or light out here in the backyard, nice round circle there. And then if you want to focus, I mean, this thing is crazy as far as like up at the top of the tree there. Just throws a really bright beam up there, like it's like the bat signal. Look at that thing. It's a little raining outside, but there's trees like way over there, and I can basically like a little spotlight thing. Pretty insane, and nice and wide here. Check out my backyard here, down the side yard, and if we need to focus, there's somebody down there, just throw a beam just on that little area right there, we can. So really focusable and cool. I like these things actually glow. So after they've been brightened off, when I turn this off, then these are glowing. So that's cool. So if you need to find your flashlight in the dark, that's another nice feature. Pretty sweet, actually, my friends. Throws out a wide beam here, as it brightens up the whole backyard here pretty good. And like I said, if we need to focus on something far away, this can definitely do it. All in all, pretty impressive. Seems to be a pretty cool little flashlight. It's indicating the charge life, and also with the thick 6,000 mega amp hours, I can charge my phone in a pinch too if I want to off this thing. So thanks so much for watching this review, my friends. Hope it's helpful. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time.